Hello and welcome to this episode of Theawesomenessmodz. Today I'm going to show you how to get Duke Nukem Forever free for PC. So first you need to go to the description and click on the download link. It will take you to this web page. I do not own this website or anything to do with this website. Here you just download the torrent file. Yes, it is a torrent. So once you click it, you need to save it as use torrent or anything else. So once you've downloaded it, you will get this Duke Nukem Forever ISO. First thing you need to do is you need to extract it here with either Winrar or 7-zip. This will take about 5 minutes to do. So I'm going to pause the video and resume it after it's finished. Okay, right, I'm back and it has finished extracting. So once it's finished extracting, it will look like this. The thing that you want to do is you want to go to the Razor 1911 installer and click yes. It'll come up like this. So your destination folder is your normal program files times 86, Duke Nukem Forever. So hit install, and it'll ask you for the sim pack. So just go to the browse button, and the Duke Nukem Forever 1 SID, and then click OK, and it will carry on to install, and your cursor will look like that. It will have the little loadings symbol on it. So just wait for it to install. It'll take about 4 minutes. So I'll pause the video so you can see. Okay, halfway through the installation, this will pop up asking for the Duke Nukem disk 2. So go to browse again and disk 1/2. So then click on that, open it up, and hit OK, and it'll, there we go, game installed. So hit OK, and it'll exit out of that and bring you to the Duke Nukem Forever. If this pops up, click this program has installed correctly, because it has. Once you've done this, you can see the Duke Nukem Forever. Just minimize this. Go back to your extracted Duke Nukem. Go to the Razor 1911 folder and copy all of the folders in there. So copy them. Minimize. Go to My Computer, C drive, Program Files 86. And your Duke Nukem folder Forever, and paste, yes, and do this for the next 25 conflicts. Copy and replace, and continue. This should take about 30 seconds, maybe much less. There we go. Now you can go back, exit out, Duke Nukem Forever shortcut. You can drag it to your desktop. There you go, Duke Nukem Forever. Now you have successfully installed, mounted, and cracked Duke Nukem Forever. Here I'm going to show you some gameplay. So double click on the Duke Nukem Forever shortcut, and it will load up.